Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we will learn how to take transaction log backup of a database in Microsoft SQL Server. So for this, we need to keep in mind some points. First one is that to take the transaction log backup, your database must be in full recovery model or in bulk log recovery model. This is the first requirement. Second requirement is that regarding the permissions. So you must be a member of sysadmin or DB owner or backup operator role. So if you have any one of the role, then you will be able to take the database backup in SQL Server. Last one, also you need to ensure that SQL Server services account has right access to the backup destination directory or folders. So if you have all in place, then you are good to go. So let's get started. First of all, I will use the first method using SQL Server Management Studio. And then I will use the second method using T-SQL Script to take the backup. So let's jump into the first method. For this, we need to open SQL Server Management Studio first. So this is my SSMS. I'm clicking here. Let this open. It will take a while. And that is open. So we need to connect our instance. So that is our instance. And we are clicking on connect. If you see, we have successfully connected to our instance. Suppose we need to take the transaction log backup of DB2 database. This is the user database. This one also. And if you expand the system databases, these are the system databases. Okay. So I'm going to take the T-log backup or transaction log backup of DB2 using SSMS. For that, we need to right click on that database, go to task, and then further you need to click on backup. A new wizard will be open. Okay. So if you see, this is the database. Ensure that you have selected the right one. If you want to change, then you can change from here. Okay. I'm keeping this as it is because I'm taking the DB2 transaction log backup only. Now, important thing, backup type. Don't forget to choose the backup type. If you are taking transaction log backup, then select transaction log. You can also use the copy only option. I am skipping this as of now. And this is the path where your backup file will be placed. So if you want to change, then you can remove the existing path and then you can add your desired path. Now, other options, this is I'm okay. But if I go to the backup options, then you can choose whether you want to compress that backup or not. So if you want to compress, then you can choose compress backup option. And then finally, you need to just click on OK. Okay, if all, then your backup will be completed quickly. Now we will use the second method. So in second method, what we need to do, we need to just use the T-SQL script to take the database transaction log backup. So click on instance, new query. So I have placed my script on desktop. So for that, I need to click on File tab, then further open and go to Files. Either you can type Control O and navigate to the script. So this one is my script. Open. See, this is the script for taking the log transaction log backup of DB2 database. So if you see, we are taking the backup here mentioned log. That means we are taking transaction log backup. Which database? DB2 database and all these information to disk. This will be the file path of that database where database backup will be placed. And all these options we have already discussed in our previous videos. So let's click on execute. That is completed. So now we have completed both the methods using SSMS and T-SQL script to take the transaction log backup of a database. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.